Wow.
So
It's a long
the way it
process.
falls into place really in terms of development is a developer isn't gonna, well, I guess to build things in anywhere but in New Jersey particularly, you need to have a building permit, right? Well, in order to get a building permit, you can't, you have to have, well, let me just qualify that. If it's like an interior renovation where you're building something inside the walls of a building, you can go get a building permit. If you're doing an addition or expanding building or a brand new building on a property, you have to get your site plan approval. But in New Jersey, you have to go through this site plan approval site plan approval process that's regulated basically slightly differently in every municipality, but the way it's laid out is under the municipal land use law in New Jersey. So once you have the signed site plans, that's when the zoning officer recognizes or is permitted to say, okay, now you can submit for a building permit.
Wow.
So
It's a long
the way it
process.
falls into place really in terms of development is a developer isn't gonna, why would a developer spend all this money on architectural plans if they might not get approved at the site plan level? So it kind of just works out in a way that once you get approved at the board, now all the risk is out of the way because you know it's just a matter of time to get through resolution compliance. And so that's when they'll often hire the architect to start the building permit